what's up? Today we're learning Archer by Taylor Swift. There's only 4 chords and it's in standard tuning, so you won't need a capo. I'll break down each section piece by piece. My name is Brett Blakemore from Summit Guitar School. If you guys want some bonus lessons, head over to the website and subscribe to our newsletter. That link will be in the description. Also, follow us on Instagram and Facebook. We really appreciate the support. Let's get started with this. Okay, so the chords for this song, simple. C, G, A minor, and F. And on the F, I'll give you the option of either doing the bar chord, if you want to jump into that, or you can do the open version F chord, which I'll have diagrams for both of those. So the verse kind of jumps right in as the intro. So the verse doubles as the intro, and it's kind of a driving thing. So we're going to go from G, just eighth notes down, G, one measure, to A minor, to F. I'll do the open version this time. And it does that 4 times. So you've got G, A minor, F. There's the bar chord version that time. Alright, so you've got a measure of G, a measure of A minor, and 2 measures of F. Okay? And I'm kind of palm muting that slightly, which means you put the palm, your wrist, like this part of your palm, kind of just up against the bridge, and every once in a while I'm kind of putting it down and back up. So I'm going like open, mute, mute. And if you do it close enough to the bridge, you'll get the chord to ring out. And you can really do it for the whole verse if you wanted to kind of give it a dynamic, different dynamic change, So let's talk about the pre-chorus. So the pre-chorus, you've got down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. All right? So you're going to go down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. To G, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. To A minor, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. To F, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay? So that's the pre-chorus. And then your chorus is the only part that's a little bit tricky. We're going to do the exact same strumming pattern that we used for the pre-chorus. So your chorus is C, down, down, up, down, 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 up on the G, and then F, down, up, down, 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 up, and then A minor, down, down, up, down, down, up, G, down, down, up, F, down, 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 up. Okay, so I'll go through that again. So your chorus strumming pattern is still the down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. But the changes are this. So you've got down, down, up on C, down, up, down, down, up, down, up to F, down, down, up, down, 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 up, and then A minor, down, down, up, down, down, up, switch to G, down, down, up, and then F, down, up, down, down, up. Okay? And then you're right back into another verse, all right? That covers all the parts of the song, but let's break down that kind of faster transition in the chorus. So you've got a whole measure of C, and then you've got a half measure of C, half measure of G. So whole measure of C, and then you've got down, down, up, switch to G, down, down, up, to F, down, down, up. That's that faster transition during the chorus. And the same thing happens on the A minor. A whole measure of A minor, and then you've got to go down, down, up, switch to G, down, down, up, and then switch to F. Sorry, the lighting's getting weird. I'm doing this in the front room, and the sun keeps going behind the clouds. Anyways, so that's the entire song. So you've got verse, pre-chorus, chorus, verse, pre-chorus, chorus, bridge, which is just the same exact chords as the pre-chorus. And then you've got another pre-chorus, and then you've got a chorus 4 times to the end. And that's the whole song.